Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. The lighting today it's giving, and my skin is giving.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do.
I remember when I used to cuss 7th Crave in Portmore. Like, I used to cuss them all the time because I guess when they were just starting out, it was just really bad. Their service was so bad. So was Hugo. Hugo's service was not good either, but I've been using them in recent times, the last couple months, to do like my orders when I'm getting food, like fast food in Portmore. I use them for Wendy's and KFC because that's really the only, to be honest, those are the only places that I buy fast food from, to be very honest. I don't do Burger King. I'll eat Popeyes, but Popeyes isn't offered on the 7th Crib, only through Hello Foods, and sometimes I just can't bother. But I ordered Wendy's. I ordered a Dave's Double. You already know. I've been eating so much Wendy's lately. It's not good. And I have this thing about me that I tend to eat like the same things over and over again until I either get tired of it or move on to something else. Like I fixate on things, and it's something I was going to go into a topic, but that's a topic for a different day. But I've been finding out a lot of things about myself lately that have been very eye-opening and kind of make sense because of the habits that I have. But I fixate on food, so I'll eat the same food all the time until I get tired of it, and then I move on to something else. And that's not always good because sometimes the things that I fixate on are not like healthy things, you know. But anyways, I paused for lunch, decided to order food because, to be honest, everything in my house right now, I would have to cook. There's nothing in my house that's like ready-made right now that I can make very easily. So I just decided to order lunch because I haven't really had anything to eat all day, and it's like after 2 now. I had coffee and I had fruits, but that was about it. I haven't had like a meal. So this is gonna be my meal. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Wednesday and I look like a chef. It is midday and I literally just came out of a meeting. I've had like 3 meetings since the start of the day, and it is now 11:39 a.m. but guess what, I am not mad at it. I've been very productive today. I had 3 meetings. I just finished uploading and filling in my YouTube video for today, so it's gonna go live at midday at 12 o'clock, so it's scheduled and everything. Love that for me. And then I have some work that I need to finish, but I'm gonna take a break now, have breakfast, because I haven't had breakfast. I haven't even had coffee, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do some work. Then I have 2 meetings. I have one at 3 o'clock, one at 3:30. No, 3. I have one at 3 o'clock, one at 3:30, and one at 8 p.m. Okay, then that's gonna be my day. I'm going to try and edit my vlog for Sunday tonight, but it depends on how I feel. If I feel tired, because today has been a day, if I feel tired, I'm not gonna sweat it. I'm gonna try to do it later in the week. But I have my vlog footage to edit for Sunday, and then tomorrow I have 2 events. I have an event that I have to cover for 2 days, starting tomorrow and Friday, which is Beer Festival. So I have that to do, and that means that I'm gonna be out for, well, the event is in the evening. It starts 5 o'clock to 11, so it's in the evenings, 2 evenings straight. And then tomorrow morning they do have like a media thing, like a media launch, so I have that to cover as well. So tomorrow it's gonna take up most of my day, but I think what I'm gonna do is probably go to like a cafe in between the 2 times. So like in the morning I'll go, and then in the afternoon I'll probably go to like a cafe and then stay there till the event in the evening. And then what else? Yeah, and then on Friday I'm gonna work from home and then go over into Kingston at about 4 o'clock for the evening coverage. So that's what my week is looking like right now. Yeah. I don't know what my weekend's gonna look like, but to be honest, I feel like it needs to be a very chill weekend this weekend, because your girl needs some rest. Yeah, need some rest. Only here my week, and I haven't even told you guys. Well, I would have mentioned it in the beginning of the vlog, but I don't know if I told you guys all I've been up to since the start of the week, but y'all get the vibe. But anyways, I will see you guys probably tomorrow or whenever. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. But yeah, bye. It's not morning, it's afternoon. It's like probably almost 2 o'clock. It's Friday. I have been doing so much, currently making myself some coffee, but just showered, did my skin looks good. But I've been working so much. I told you guys I had an event to cover. I would have showed you guys some snippets of night 1 last night. And then tonight I have the event again, starting at 5 o'clock. So I'm actually going to leave home by 4 o'clock. Already scheduled my taxi to pick me up at 4. It's 2 o'clock right now, and I have 2 meetings. And I think I'm going to be in one meeting on my way to the event. And then I would start covering the event probably at 5:30. Honestly, the earlier I start covering the event, the better for me. The faster I can probably finish and not like have things piled up on me, you know. But yeah, so yeah, that's the update. I also have so much things to do because I have my room to sort out, I need to figure out what I'm wearing tonight, because we're actually getting the place sprayed tomorrow morning, which is kind of annoying in the sense that it's happening early in the morning. And based on how I felt this morning, I slept for hours, and I know I'm going to feel like even worse tonight after I come home. So to know that I'm gonna be out of my bed by like 8 o'clock tomorrow, not a fan, but it is what it is. So yeah.
before him let me down.